stop, and then we'll continue through the S turns. And you'll see it's sharp turn to the right, sharp turn to the left, back and forth.
Gotcha.
Kind of like a snake. And we'll stop at the end, and then if you're ready to do it again, we turn around, come back here.
Gotcha.
Go for it. What I'd like you to pay close attention to is where he's turning his head and how far he's turning his head. And since this is a low-speed maneuver, you'll notice that he is steady on the throttle and using the friction zone to control the speed of his motorcycle. Look at how far he's turning his head even before he makes the turn. Another thing that's really going to help in a maneuver like this is something called counterbalancing. And that's you let the bike dip into the turn and you yourself put your body to the outside of the turn. See his shoulders, how they shift? That's pretty good. He's only been riding for 3 days. Four, right?
Well, it'd be 3.5.
Today counts.
Choon loves it when I do that to his students. Alright, good. Keep on rocking. So nice and smooth. Keep your hand on the throttle. And then we got a clutch lever right here. Just clutch in, squeeze. Perfect. Good job. Doing the same thing with the next one.
Squeeze the front brake, this one right here, and take your right leg, throw it over the top. Perfect. Go ahead and center the bike and sweep the side stand. Bring it up. Perfect. So first thing you're going to do is lean the motorcycle left and right to feel its weight.
It's heavy.
Oh, yeah, I know some heavier ones. All right, turn your handlebars all the way to the left.
Oh, this?
There you go, handlebars. Turn all the way to the right.
Wait, what's it called?
Handlebars, just like a bicycle. Have you rode a bicycle before? Perfect, same difference. All right, now we're gonna talk a little bit about body position. So head and eyes up, back straight, arms are bent and relaxed. So bend your elbows, there you go. See how much cooler you look? That's what it's about. All right, now this one over here, this is gonna be your throttle. So go ahead and put your hand on the throttle. Your whole hand, there you go. Now I want you to twist the throttle until it stops. Keep going. That's a full throttle. Does that make sense? Okay. Roll back, roll off. So try it again. Roll on, roll off. Great. Now you're going to open up your hand. You're going to squeeze the front brake lever. All four fingers. All four fingers. There we go. Squeeze. Good. Now I want you to practice rolling on the throttle, rolling off the throttle, and then reach up and squeeze the brakes. So curl your fingers just like when you're in your car and you move your foot over from the brake to the gas. The same concept. So when you're on one pedal, be sure you're on one pedal and not both. So roll on, roll off, reach and squeeze. Good. Okay. So remember, this is like a bicycle brake, but much more powerful. So you're going to want to very gently squeeze the brake. Okay. Now moving on over to the other side, this is your clutch lever. This is the lever you squeeze in case anything ever goes wrong. Just squeeze the lever. Right. It'll remove power from the rear wheel. Right. This controls the connection between the transmission and the rear tire. So if you're ever in doubt, squeeze the clutch. Make sense? Perfect. All right, Giselle, the first thing we're going to do is you're going to squeeze that clutch, and I want you to ease it out on a 5 count. So go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the time you get to 1, you should be all the way out. Try it again, all the way in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This time I want you to do a little different. I want you to pause at 3. So squeeze it in. So go 5, 4, 3, hold it 3, hold it 3, hold it, ease it out slowly, 4 and 5. So that's pretty much how we get going. Keep your elbows bent, keep your body position up, head and eyes up. And I want you to do all of this with your head and eyes up, your back straight, and your arms bent and relaxed. Remember, it's all in the fingers. It's all in the fingers. So you're going to roll on the throttle, roll off the throttle, reach and squeeze the front brake, back on the throttle. And you're going to reach over here, you're going to squeeze the clutch, you're going to ease it out for a 5 count in your own head. 5, 4, 3. There you go, you got it. That making sense? Ready to try something crazy?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to try going down the freeway next. No, I'm just kidding. It's probably not a great idea just yet. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on for you. Squeeze the clutch all the way in. I want you to push this black button right here. So start. Perfect. It's running. Purring like a kitten. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to get a feel for the throttle. So give it a little bit of throttle. It doesn't take much, does it? Just a little bit. Okay. I want you to roll on just slightly. I want you to bring the idle up to about right there. You see it down there? Bring it up. Gotta hold it steady right there, about 5. Good, roll off. Now I want you to head and eyes up, look straight ahead. I want you to do the same thing, but this time I don't want you to look at the tachometer. Just do it all by feel. Bend your elbows. See, you already got it, right? You're starting to get it. All right. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to put you in first gear. We're going to get a chance to feel it. First gear. Okay, now I want you to ease the clutch out until you start to feel it pull you forward. And then when you feel it, squeeze it back in. How's that feel? All right.
Very little.
Yeah, that's good. It's very little, right? Try it again. A little bit more. All right. So now you feel with the 3 thing. So if you notice, if you let it out just a little bit, it doesn't go. So it means you don't have to squeeze it real tight. No, like super tight grip, right? Bike's not going to get away from you. Gravity will hold you on the seat. Okay. So ease it out a little bit. Head and eyes up. Do it all by feel. There you go. Okay, we're going to go around this bike. We're going to do that first orange cone. I got you. You're good. Oh, you're fine. That's good right there. We're going to keep that cone on the other side.
On the other side.
Perfect. There we go. Now we're here. So now what we're going to do, see these cones on this long line here? What you're going to do is you're going to start and stop at each one of the cones, okay? You're going to use the clutch to get you going, and you use the front brake to stop it, okay? We're going to work on being really gentle with the controls. You're ready. Use your brake. Oh, yeah, see how it's good. All right, real gentle. Okay, on to the next one.
That different?
Whatever, I don't keep count. Head and eyes up. You know, like when you're on the freeway, you don't have to roll down the window and stick your head out, do you?
No.
Here we got it. In order to stop the motorcycle, you got to squeeze the clutch.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, it'll shut. The brakes will kill the engine.
Oh,
Shut it
okay,
down.
okay.
On to the next one. Head and eyes up. Nice and relaxed. Squeeze the clutch. Use your brake. Well, I was going to give you a compliment, but then what happened?
Sorry.
Right. On to the next one. So be real gentle with the controls. Bend your elbows. Nice and easy. Squeeze your clutch. Use your brake.
Damn it.
All right, let's get used to that brake. Right, on to the next one. Remember, just like you ever shot a gun before?
Yeah.
Okay. What part of your finger do you put on the trigger? 1, 2, or 3? Which part? 1, 2, or 3? 1. So you put it all the way up here, right? So same thing when you squeeze the brake. So squeeze the brake. That's all you need. It's just that little bit of control. See, that first part of my finger starts to move. If you have the brake lever in here, it doesn't start to move till all the way to there, right? So it's real gentle. Right, try the next one. Clutch in, use the brake gentle. Hey! Learning has occurred. On to the next one. Clutch in, use brakes. So your feet aren't really so much for walking, they're just more for kind of touching the ground for safety reasons. Does that make sense?
So I put them up when I go.
We'll get there. Easy. Oh, hold on. We'll get there. Man, a minute ago you were nervous. Now you want to go fast. All right, on to the next one. Clutch in, brake. Ah, nice. On to the next one. Oh, no. So what happened was you let the clutch out a little too quickly. You went 1, 2, 3, right. Squeeze it back in. Push this button right here. It'll start your bike back up. Oh, this one you got to be in. This bike's different. Try it now.
No, that's okay.
Yeah, for this bike. Try it again. All right, no hand on the brake until you're ready to. Yeah, just like in your car, you don't cover the brake. You're not ready to use it.
I drive with 2 feet actually.
That's because you have a clutch. You drive with both feet? Oh, that's why you're terrible. Squeeze the clutch, brake. There we go. Oh, here we go. Onto the green cone. Head nice up. Let go of your lips. I can tell when you're thinking, I want to play poker with you because I can see all your tells. Squeeze the clutch, use your brake. Good. I'll put you in neutral. Okay, I want you to push it around. We're going to go to one of those 2 cones over there. 2 little gradients.
Do I let go of the...
You can, it's in neutral. Push. Yep, we're going to get some sweat out of it.
The outside or inside?
Whichever one you pick. Keep the gun on your left side, whichever one you pick. All right. Now this one's a little bit different. You'll be excited for this one. I'm going to have you see that little bit taller cone in the middle? We're going to have you ride to that one before you stop. All right. If you're comfortable, you can pick up your feet. Only if you're comfortable. If you're not, remember just keep your feet out for safety. Okay. Squeeze clutch. Squeeze the clutch. First gear. All right. Keep both feet down until you're able. Just like bicycle, you can't pick your feet up until you're stable. Same thing here. Bend your elbows.
I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Yes. Alright.
Bend your elbows. There you go. Head and eyes up. Nice and relaxed. Keep your head and eyes up. Okay, squeeze your clutch. Begin using your brakes real gentle, real gentle, real gentle. Hey, what up, man? What up, man? All right, bend your elbows. I'm gonna get you a sign that says bend your elbows.
Wow.
Do I look relaxed?
No.
No, neither do you. Remember, this is supposed to be fun.
Well, it's because this is my first time.
Oh, me too.
That's not.
Crazy, crazy. This one we're gonna go all, see that last green cone on the line? We're gonna ride straight to that one. All right. Same principle, same principle. Okay, what happened? Tell me what happened.
I let go too fast.
That's all it is. You look up at your elbows. It's so tight. It's so tight. So, nice and relaxed. All you gotta do is ease it out, right? So you didn't pause at the 3. You went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So squeeze it all the way in. Push start button. Oh wait, no. It's that mic. You gotta do this. Rock it a little bit for me. Okay. Perfect. All right, you ready to kill it? Here we go. So I'm gonna put you in first gear. All right, all the way to the last green cone on the line. Bend your elbows, relax. Walk with it until you're stable enough. Oh, you got it. You had it. You're doing great. Head and eyes up. Look up. Go give it a little throttle. Clutch in. Use your brakes. Nice. What'd you think?
That was good. I'm just walking.
Well, you know what helps fix wobbly? Time. Laps, experience, having a good time.